Hello everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to use workflow connections in Microsoft Visio to create process workflows and relationship between shapes. Let's get started. Step 1 is to understanding connectors. Connectors are used to link shapes and define relationships in diagrams. They remain attached to shapes even if you move them, keeping your workflow organized. Step 2 is to adding connectors to Visio. There are multiple ways to add connections on the Visio. First is using connection points. Hover over a shape to see a green connection points, and then click drag from one point to another to create a connection. 2 is to using auto connect handles. Hover over or select shape to see auto connect handles on its sides. Drag from the handle to another shape for a quick connection. This method creates dynamic connection that adjusts automatically. 3 is using the connector tool. Click the connector button in the bottom read of the collect menu. Select the first shape, drag to the second shape and release. You can also use the shortcut Alt+3 on the Windows or Option +3 which is on the Mac to activate the connector tool. Now the third step is to understanding static and dynamic guide. There are two types of connectors in Visio, the static glue and the dynamic glue. Step 4 is changing connector styles. By default, connectors are right angled lines. You can change it to the straight or curved lines or selecting the connectors, going to the design or the shape of the tab and choosing a style. Holding shift while drawing to create a straight connector at 45-degree angles. Step 5 is the formatting connections. To customize connection, you can change the color, thickness, dash style, and arrowheads. Go to the Shape tab or Home tab, then select Shape Outline. Use the right-click menu for the quick access to format options. Now on final thoughts, we have here that the Format All Connectors 1, open the Layers tab from the ribbon and then hover over the connector layer and click the three dots. Select shapes to modify all the connectors simultaneously. That's how you can efficiently use workflow connectors in Microsoft Visio. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.